Hi everybody, I'm back again doing videos to help you with the cell scavenger hunt activity, which is not due until May 29th. So don't stress if you haven't started it yet. So this activity is back in our QPO format. So you can see there's a question, there's a place for personal knowledge, there's an investigation plan, which is basically the directions, which I'm going to read to you right now. Your job is going to be to search inside and outside of your home for these different items. And then remember, if you're going outside, make sure to ask an adult first and be safe. Number 2, when you find an item, you can either draw, take a picture of it, write down what you found, or you can even do a Google image and you will paste it down here, just like Miss Kawada did with her example of 3 things made of cells. So we have 3 things made of cells. She found a plant in her house. She's made of cells. And a dog is made of cells. I think that's Miss Gill's dog. So that is what you are going to do for this activity. And now I'm going to scroll down to the habits of mind. This one we have not done in a while. Remember that the habits of mind are skills or traits that you use all throughout your day. You probably are using curiosity and self-direction right now. So you are going to pick at least 1, maybe 2, of the habits of mind that you used for this activity. And if you forgot what some of these are, like adaptability, what's that? If you can't remember, in Google Classroom, I just posted new classroom material, and it's a reference sheet. So it's a page that has each of the habits of mind. So let's go to adaptability and look at what's the definition. It's your ability to adjust to fit changed circumstances. So how are you flexible? How do you have to change when maybe something doesn't go the way you thought it was going to go? So that is just an example of one habit of mind. You may not have used adaptability. That's just one example. But you can look at this reference sheet if you can't remember what some of these habits of mind are. And then you're going to just highlight which one you used. Maybe you used 2. And it says, I know I use this habit of mind because that's where you're going to say, and I will type an example right here. I'm going to make it in red so it stands out. I know I use this habit of mind because I'm going to actually highlight adaptability. Let's just use that as an example. Not sure you would really need that one, but you never know. I had to use this habit of mind because I was planning on going outside to search for my cell examples, but it started raining really hard. So I had to come up with a new plan. That is an example of how I used adaptability. Now you might have used self-direction, or maybe you used curiosity. So you have to decide which one applies to you. All right, and that hopefully should help you get the cell scavenger hunt done and turned in. Remember, you're going to attach it as an assignment in Google Classroom by May 29th, because remember, we don't have school on May 22nd or May 25th because of the Memorial Day holiday. Have a great day, everybody.